Welcome to the YouTube channel of EGPS Career. Click the subscribe button and share the video.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome students. Welcome to English classroom. Today our topic is article. Today our session on a very interesting topic, that is article. Article. What is an article? Articles are divided into definite and indefinite articles. A and the are articles. Articles are used to introduce or refer to a noun. A and are the indefinite articles. The difference between definite and indefinite articles is here. A and are the indefinite articles. That is the definite articles. So we take some example. For example, article A and not use it for any particular things. For example, give me a sheet of paper. Here, give me a sheet of paper refer to any things. Next example, I bought a car. Here, I bought a car. A car means any car. We can't show a particular thing here. So, this is an example of article A or an. Our next article is the. The is the another article which is used for particular things. For example, give me the sheet of paper, I give you yesterday. So, here, give me the sheet of paper, that shows a particular things which I give you yesterday. This also shows that that is the article which shows a particular things. The difference between A and N. And use it for vowel sound. They are A, E, I, O, U. For example, an apple, an orange, an elephant. And is also used sound like vowels. Not vowels, sound like vowels. For example, an honor, an honest is the example of an. So our next topic is now write A. A is used a word that have a consonant sound before it. For example, a book, a baby, a girl is the example of article A. Two rules we have to follow in indefinite articles. First is indefinite article is used for singular countable noun and second is uncountable noun. For example, countable nouns, a baby, a book and a table. Uncountable nouns like water, weather and air. Indefinite article is to show one in a group or profession. Indefinite article जो है ना वो दिखाता है एक ग्रुप और एक प्रोफेशन को. For example, यहाँ पे दिया गया he is a doctor, doctor is a profession. He is a teacher, teacher is also a profession, and she is a tailor, tailor is also a profession. So this is the example of indefinite article which shows profession. Our next is groups. She is an American, he is an Indian, he is an Italian. We can say anything indefinite articles in group wise. So definite articles. So here we can write the difference between definite and indefinite articles. Definite articles A and R. Indefinite articles and the is a different definite articles. So the difference is here. Definite articles are used to show a particular things, or indefinite articles are shows use it for not shows any particular things. So we can write here the rules of definite articles. Definite articles use it for specific things. This is use it for both singular and plural. Rules first. We use to take about things second times. The rules of definite articles. For example, she bought a beautiful dress. The dress was expensive. This is the example. Rule first, definite article. Second rule is when there is one of something, for example, the Taj Mahal, the President of India, etc. In case of superlative, you can see here definite articles are in different groups. For example, in rule first we talk about second things, and rule second we talk about one of some things, and rule third we talk about superlative articles. So our next point is here. We write down here our next point, that is our rule third.
Thank you for watching patiently. Click the bell icon and subscribe the channel. Thank you.